one of the top five UA beauty champions. So Shalini, how did you first hear about Glambox?
I would say from a friend, and my friend was all praises about Glambox and the products you get every month in it. So yeah, and some other friends of mine also insisted that I should try. So yeah, social media, great. So I checked out social media and got to see a lot of things. And yes, here I am sitting. I love this.
What's your favorite thing about Glambox?
See, it's a box. It's a nice pink box that you get, and so many goodies in it. And the surprise. It's like a treat for myself every month. At the end of the month, I get it. And I'm so excited to open that box and see what are the goodies inside. So it's just the surprise element. Yeah, it's a very nice, pretty box that I get.
And there's always things that you could always use. There's not just something that you'd want to not use, really.
No, not really. Every time I get it, I end up using all of them. So there's nothing like crazy.
It's like a mixture of skincare products, makeup. There's literally just a mixture of things you can use that you would enjoy using.
Yes.
So let's take a look at some of the products you've already gotten from Glambox. Shalini, do you want to show us?
Yes, of course. This is like this month's box that we received. Okay. So I'll show you. You see, there's like a body scrub.
Box, sorry.
Say again?
June's box.
I'm sorry, this is a June's box, but she has the box over there. We'll get back to it. Any which ways, we'll give you the idea, what we're receiving in a box. So I have the body scrub, and then we have the rituals of Ayurveda, like such intriguing brands that you really want to, apply and see. It's a body cream, and I've got Eucerin. I'm a big fan of this brand. This is a medicated cream, it comes with hyaluronic acid. I end up buying this myself every month, or in intervals. So I was happy to receive products, I love the choice of products that come in a box, because you don't feel disappointed because you actually end up using, as I said. You got a nice golden nail polish.
When you're going out.
Absolutely.
Nice party.
Yeah, and a beige pink lip liner. So, I mean, there's nothing in this box that I would not use. So, I'm a very happy subscriber, I must say. So, you usually have like 6, 7 products in a box, and yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7 sometimes. And
we also give some vouchers, like over here I've got 3 vouchers. Like I know previously you must have gotten one for the Sisters Beauty Lounge, and you got 30% discount off services such as hair or massages. All girls love massages. It's a nice treat for the weekend. A free makeup application in Ingot, which I'm sure most of us love. And we had a cruise voucher where you got 100% AD off, and who doesn't love eating food on a cruise? It's always fun to do.
so, yeah.
And in July's box, we got an Inglot beauty blender, a beauty blender which I personally always use. And we got a nice red nail polish. We do try to put nail polishes in some colors that we wouldn't usually buy, but we could always try. Nutrigen, Hydro Boost. I use it all the time.
And look at the size of it. It's a full-size product. It's not something you're getting samples, obviously, but you get full-size products, and I'm a big fan of this one. I'm good for a month after I receive this, so it's not just small things that you receive like in this box. You get full-size products as well.
So the idea basically of Glambox is getting products that you could try, and you get worth whatever you're paying. So it's worth originally worth double of what you're actually paying.
Yes.
And you get to try these products, see what you love, and actually go and buy it and actually spend money, so you know you're spending money on things worth it that you've already tried. I know this month you guys got a really nice bubble sheet mask, which I know is really trendy these days. Everyone's trying it. I personally have used it as well. I love it. It's fun. You actually see bubbles forming on your face, which is very interesting to see sometimes. And you got two things from Soap and Glory, which was an eyeliner and a mascara, very nice dual kind of things going with each other. A hand cream, hair cream for like curly hair. I know lots of us like our hair being curly, gelish things. It's like a proper like all like, how would I say, like a spa kind of thing.
It's a spa experience.
It's literally a spa experience.
Receiving a box like this is a spa experience, like I said, you end up living in Dubai buying so many things, throughout the month. Every time you go to a pharmacy or Sephora or anywhere I go, everybody keeps pushing you to buy this. What I like about this box is that, they carefully select the products. They don't get to go to waste, and you get a selection every month to try. For a very reasonable amount. And like I said, when I received such a box, and you have the experience of opening it and the unboxing ritual
experience. I wait every end of the month to get my box, and like I'm always so excited.
I am just super excited to unbox this and have the unboxing ritual. And show it to my friends, and everybody just keeps enjoying this over and over again. So they have never disappointed me. The quality is consistent. All the products that are here, I'm aware of them. I see them every day. So I actually know their prices as well. So I don't end up, I don't feel I'm being, what do I say the word is? I'm losing my words here, but yeah.
Like worth your money, I guess?
Yes, worth my money, because I know the prices, and you don't feel like, oh, you're paying too much for every month for this kind of a price to come to you. So yeah, I highly recommend, thumbs up. I will show you some more products once she wants to say something about it as well.
Yeah, like one of the Pinky Goat eyelashes, which I know has been really
I wanted to say that, but she took it.
Sorry, but I am such a big fan of these as well. I love them. They're perfect for going out, and it makes your eyelashes look amazing, which we all pretty much love.
Yes. So yeah, I've kept some, Rimmel mascara that I have here. I have the Pinky Gold lashes. I'm just trying to show you the selection, what all you get in a box. It's not just skincare or things, you get some things like these as well. So imagine you're surprised when you see all of this. We do have some great Korean brands that, are becoming a part of this ritual, these boxes every month. So I get to see these Korean creams and face masks. Yeah, face masks coming
Korean people have such amazing skin. Their rituals, they have like a proper ritual thing. They do a 10-step skincare thing. So here you get to try a few of their different ones. Like they've got this cushion foundation, which this was the first time I was hearing about it. And it just gives you such a nice sheer look, and you get to skip through the whole
process. Just show them in the back of your arm, maybe.
Okay, so it's like very cushiony, and then you get to like just press it in, and you can just basically skip the part of trying to like blend it in. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but but it gives you a really glowy look, and it was interesting to see this because I hadn't seen it before until I got my box in. I got it in my box from Glambox. And it's quite interesting. I think I will be purchasing more of these for my makeup.
Yeah, it's called Misha.
Misha,
yeah, you'll see them. I've seen them in the malls as well. The good thing is, like I said, when they choose a product, it's not just, oh, will it match my skin or something. This is such a sheer product that I think anybody can wear it, under their the makeup or the foundation that you apply. It's a brightening thing. So the choice of products is carefully
picked out. That's what we try to do at Glambox. We try to pick out products that all of you can use, all of you would be interested in using, and things that you wouldn't normally go for, so that you can actually try different things and see what suit you and what don't suit you.
Sorry guys, we are kind of far away from the camera, so if you're asking something, we
can't really read it.
Yes, but I'll try and zoom in and see if I see a comment.
You also get scrubs, by the way, so like body scrubs, face scrubs. It's really nice to like try different kinds of things, because you do get bored of the same scrub that you'd be using every day. So it is nice to get a different...
See the selection of scrubs. Every month I get like a coffee scrub, then I have this almond and Indian rose, Himalayan salt scrub. So I'm like, my bathroom looks like a spa room with all these nice scrubs and masks that we receive every month.
so you guys can see what you would like as well and what you wouldn't, and give us your feedback about what you think, what you'd be interested in seeing more of, and what your experiences are with Glambox. And thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you so much, Shalini, for being
My
here.
pleasure. It's always a delightful experience.
Alright, see you guys. I'm so